So here's an update on the brackets for the backhoe. I just finished welding these up, 2 plates, and this is going to make it a lot more sturdy on the back. It's going to mount to 3 bolts on the back, and you wonder what these notches are for. Those go over the 3-point hitch bar on the back, because I have no way of bending this 3/8 plate. So anyways, yep, so that's kind of just dirty there. So I used the good old arc welder for that. 70-18 rods on the AC welder works pretty good. So yeah, so that's come along pretty good for that. And my bench is messy as hell. Anyways, this is going to be my rear mount. These are the bushings I made today. This is actually going to be the rear mount for the hydraulic pump, the new one I'm getting. So I'm actually waiting for tips for my plasma cutter, and I'm going to be burning this out here and mounting it. And it's going to be a nice solid mount for the hydraulic pump. So this time around, the pump won't shake around and bust off like it did over in the first time. Anyways, so yep, nice little pattern there. So now wait for these pieces here to cool off, and then I can get it mounted and start doing some more measuring for some more fabrication. So anyway, that's just an update on that. So I thought I'd post an update on the tractor. Man, I got 1,000,001 ideas. So also something I want to talk about. Sorry, farted there. Anyways, I was looking at this, and I had got for my flat stock, from making my pieces for my bucket and my forks here. I actually got a 1/4-inch plate. I noticed these are 1/8-inch plate, so I think I'm going to stick with the same material for the brackets, and it makes it a lot easier for cutting on the bandsaw I have. And yeah, so I think I'm going to do that. 1/4-inch is a bit skookum, and I might as well stick with the same material, because the whole damn loader is made with 1/8-inch stock, and so is the bucket. And I mean, the forks are not. They seem to be made at 1/4. But yeah, so we have to get some 1/8-inch plate for that stuff. Well, that's for a later date. But we'll get this backhoe here all tickety-boo and everything all done on what I want to do, and we'll keep at it and keep showing you updates on this project. There's lots to do and lots of good stuff to come up for the project. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for new subscribers, the comments, the likes, and the shares. And remember to share this on your social media of your preference. I'll probably copy that from someone else. So anyways, I thought it sounded good. Anyways, yeah, so alright, if you have any questions, please post them in the comments, and I'll answer them as best I can. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye for now.